Once upon a dork. Tuesday, April 1, 7:22 a.m. I'm late. Ugh! I can't believe I overslept again. Now I'm probably going to be late for school. Why? Because my bratty little sister Brianna has been sneaking into my bedroom at night and stealing my alarm clock. She's been using it to get up extra early to make a peanut butter, jelly and pickle sandwich to take to school for lunch. Yes, she actually adds pickles. I don't know which is more nauseating, Brianna or her disgusting sandwich. Anyway, now I have less than 3 minutes to shower, shampoo, brush, dress, eat, gloss and go. This is how my very cruddy day began. OMG, I got dressed for school in 2 minutes and 19 seconds, which is probably a new late for school world record. I decided to wear my brand new sweater with the cool fridge on it. It took me 2 whole months to save up and to buy it from Sweet 16, a trendy teen store in the mall. Looking back on my morning, there was definitely good news and bad news. The good news, my day had gotten off to such a horrible start. I was absolutely sure there was no way things could get worse. The bad news, I was totally wrong about the good news.